What's going on, everyone? Have you been thinking about getting an Amazon device? Not sure which one to get? Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of the Amazon Echo Show 5. So go ahead and stick around right after this amazing intro. Welcome back to my channel, Easy Choice Reviews, where I do the tech reviews to help give you an easy choice. Today what we have is the Amazon Echo Show 5. It's their brand new version that just came out June 26th is when I received it. I did pre-order it, got it right when it was available, and I am super excited to get this started. One of the major things that makes this one interesting to me is the ability to shut the camera off manually and not digitally. I think it actually has a slider on it that shuts the camera in case you don't want any of those privacy issues to happen. There's still the audio debate, but that's for a whole nother video if we have one for it. Today we're just going to be doing the unboxing, let you guys see what the product looks like, and we'll go from there. Let's get started here. I do have the Amazon Echo, and I have the Amazon Echo Auto, which I will put links below, as well as somewhere up here. You can click on the card and view one of those. I'll put them both up there and you can pick which one you want. I'm pretty excited about this one. I haven't read anything supporting it, but what I'm hoping, because I do know that the previous versions were unable to and are unable to show YouTube videos. I did read some things on it. I'm not going to get into why or why not, that kind of thing. But I'm hoping that's fixed with this one. I have my hesitations. I don't think it is. But if it is, I would really enjoy that. I haven't done the Google Home yet, or the Google Home Mini and that kind of stuff, but I do plan on doing that after I get these all set up and tested. I do have, like I said, the two that I'm currently testing right now. We've already done the unboxing. You can see one of those there, or down below I'll have the link. This is supposed to be a pretty awesome product here, and the speaker is supposed to be better as well. That is pretty nice. I do like that. They do have different options for the speaker cloth as well, the coating. Doesn't appear to be cloth actually. Like, it looks cloth, but it feels just like plastic. Unless it's very, very rough fabric. It doesn't appear to be fabric at all. Could be wrong though. But there you are. There's the screen. Believe it's a 5-inch screen. Here is the power button. Volume down, volume up. Looks like there's two microphones on here. And here is the slider. Looks like that opens the camera right there, the front-facing camera. That shuts it. Looks like it's shut by default. In true fashion with the other Amazon products, it looks like you've got your power cord. This one is a micro USB. You've got an audio out, and that's the line out. It's got that rubber bottom that's similar to the other Amazon products, so it doesn't slide around. I kind of like that. Similar to the Echo Auto, it has an indent here. I'm guessing that you can buy a stand or some type of bracket for that fits in there, unless it comes with one. We'll see here. So yeah, you've got your power port, a micro USB port, not for power it says, and an audio out. And there you are, some things to try. And it looks like a power cable, and that's about it. So there you go. That's the Amazon Echo Show, and super excited to try it out, and we will. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in our kitchen / living room, and the Echo Dot that I have we're gonna put in the bedroom. I did buy a couple of lights that change colors and dim as well, all on command. I can give you the links for those below. I'm not going to do a video on those because there's a million different ones. I only bought 2 lights, so I'll wait till I get a few things set up, and then I can kind of do a video on the whole setup that I have and the reviews for these as well. So a lot of good things coming, and as well as the testing of the Google products. After I get this all set up, see how it works, then we're going to swing over to the Google, test all that, do some unboxings, let you guys see the differences for yourself. So there it is. You know, if you guys like my videos, go ahead and click subscribe and click the bell. After that, it'll pop up a bell. Go ahead and click on that so you can get the notification of my future videos. I hope you guys are enjoying this. If you'd like to follow me on Twitter, it's reviews_easy. If you'd like to hit me up on Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn, you can. It's at Easy Choice Reviews. And we'll see you in the next video.